A grand unifying conspiracy. Time, spies, our future selves. The world of ufology is replete with extraordinary theories, but few are as captivating and strangely resonant as the one that weaves together clandestine government agencies, the mysteries of time, and the very destiny of our species. The claim is as audacious as it is simple, that the Central Intelligence Agency, or a similar shadowy entity, possesses functional time travel technology, and that the beings known as the Greys are not extraterrestrials at all, but human beings from a distant and very different future. This idea proposes a startling closed loop in our history, suggesting that the aliens visiting us are our evolutionary descendants returning to their own deep past, for reasons we can only begin to speculate upon. This theory acts as a powerful lens to re-examine the entire UFO phenomenon. Instead of interstellar visitors crossing unfathomable distances, it reframes the puzzle as a terrestrial one, albeit a chronologically complex one. Craft in our skies may be from other eras of our world. Beings described in encounters could be the product of human evolution, more outlandish yet more intimate than the extraterrestrial hypothesis, turning the question from "are we alone?" to "what will we become?" So that's where we start. The ubiquitous gray, decoding an archetype of the unknown. At the heart of this entire theory lies the figure of the gray, arguably the most iconic alien form in modern culture. Accounts for decades paint a remarkably consistent picture. Small, 3 to 4 feet tall, frail, slender body, often fewer fingers than a human. A small, slit-like mouth that rarely moves, either no nose or only small nostrils. The defining feature, a disproportionately large, bulbous head, teardrop-shaped and completely devoid of hair. 2 enormous opaque black eyes, deep almond-shaped pools. No pupil or iris. Inscrutable and unnerving. Many report nonverbal telepathic communication. Thoughts and images transmitted directly, emotionless and clinical, an image of cold, superior intellect. Consistency across cultures, time, and witness demographics. From the hills in the 1960s to countless others since, core features remain stable. Pop culture reflects and reinforces alleged encounters. A feedback loop. But where did this image originate? A modern iteration of older folklore, elves and fairies adapted for a technological age. Psychological lenses suggest symbolic subconscious or screen memories. Understanding the gray is the first critical step. If they are future humans, their form must be explainable through our potential evolution. You know, that's the key. The evolutionary leap. Are we staring into a future mirror? The second pillar, grays as a plausible endpoint for human evolution. Proponents argue their features aren't alien, just an exaggerated progression. Shaped by technology and time. Shaped by advancement and environmental shifts. Not a monster from the void. A distant grandchild. Adapted to a reality we barely comprehend. A bulbous cranium. Continued brain development, mind over muscle. Frail bodies, slender limbs, physical labor obsolete. Automation, advanced transport. Virtual realities reduce need for robust musculature. A vestigial mouth, reduced digestion. Efficient, concentrated nutrition. Liquids, intravenous inputs, chewing unnecessary. Lack of hair, controlled interiors, no need for elemental protection. Enormous eyes for low light. Indoors or underground, away from a damaged surface. Massive pupils gather light. A dark ocular covering filters bursts and radiation. Permanent sunglasses. Telepathy, ultimate connectivity. Efficient mind-to-mind transfer. Clumsy speech becomes obsolete. The alien becomes disturbingly familiar. Reliance on technology withers bodies, vessels for expanding brains. Trading physical prowess for mental acuity. We may already be on this path. When we look into a gray's face, we see a potential destiny, a warning, perhaps a promise. What awaits our descendants in the deep future? It's provocative. The Shadow Agency. Why the CIA is central to the narrative. Grand conspiracies need a powerful, secretive hand, often assigned to the CIA. Not arbitrary, rooted in histories of clandestine operations, disinformation, and advanced tech projects. Declassified programs like MK Ultra and Project Stargate fuel distrust and plausibility. The theory posits a Cold War breakthrough, or reverse engineering exotic craft, achieving control over space-time. From viewing past and future to physical time displacement, immediately classified at the highest level, the agency becomes sole gatekeeper, leveraging it for strategic advantage. One version: CIA discovers our future descendants. A secret accord is struck. Future humans seek genetic past, trade tech, and foreknowledge, explaining secrecy and abductions as clinical sampling. Another version: a time experiment accident, or co-development from the start. UFOs might be CIA craft, piloted by future humans or trained operatives, surveilling the past. A timeline-spanning operation, covert guardians of human history. Well, there you have it. Believers point to several threads of evidence supporting this extraordinary claim. First, testimonial. Alleged insiders of secret projects involving time travel or exotic tech. Figures like Dan Burrish tell of accords with future humans to repair a damaged timeline. Controversial and unproven, yet detailed narratives seem too intricate to be mere fabrication to some. Second, biology. Gray's focus on reproduction makes sense if they face sterility and seek lost diversity. Imagine a helix, one strand modern human, the other future human, Gray. Third, flight. Silent, instant acceleration, right-angle turns suggest space-time manipulation, not speed but entering and exiting our point in the timeline. Despite its allure, the future human hypothesis faces formidable scientific and logical challenges. Relativity permits time dilation, not clear backward travel. Energy needs approach a star's power. Exotic matter and wormholes remain theoretical. Zero experimental evidence for sending people back. Paradoxes abound. The grandfather paradox is notoriously difficult to resolve. Invoking multiverses adds immense, unproven speculation. Evolution is not linear. A single uniform gray-like outcome defies genetic diversity and resilience. Atrophied bodies and minimal digestion imply fragility and tech dependence, risky for survival. Time travel would require vast industrial, scientific, logistical footprints, hard to hide. Absolute secrecy for decades, with no verifiable leak or artifact. Strains credulity. Beyond science, psychology complicates things. Ufology has a long history of hoaxes. Fame, money, and thrills drive fabrications. Sincere witnesses still face fallible perception, especially under stress and fear. Ambiguous stimuli get shaped to cultural templates. The pervasive gray image fills in gaps. The story functions as modern myth, helping us grapple with existence, purpose, and place. It channels hopes and fears about technology, evolution, destiny, and losing our humanity. A strange comfort. Humanity survives. Its power may rest more in metaphor than fact. It persists without hard evidence because it satisfies a deep need to find patterns in the unknown. Enduring power isn't proof of truth, only of resonance with modern anxieties and wonder. In rational inquiry, the burden of proof lies with the claimant, especially for reality-altering propositions. As Carl Sagan said, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Blurry images, unverifiable testimonies, and speculative readings do not suffice. We need concrete, verifiable proof, able to withstand rigorous scrutiny. Major discoveries are transparent, collaborative, and repeatable, unlike secrecy-driven claims. Relying on anonymous sources and inaccessible documents is the methodology of conspiracy, not science. Witnesses aren't necessarily liars, and phenomena may be real. But the leap from UAPs to time-traveling future humans in a CIA pact is a leap of faith. Until extraordinary evidence appears, the theory remains speculative fiction and modern folklore. We are left with a fascinating, polarizing narrative, a grand explanation weaving evolution, speculative physics, and deep-state paranoia, epic yet personal, turning aliens into a story about family. It requires functional time travel, a predetermined evolution, and unprecedented secrecy, without proof. A beautiful house of cards, liable to collapse under scrutiny. Physics, biology, and human nature argue for mundane explanations, misperception, and mythology. Yet as a thought experiment, it forces provocative questions. What is our long-term trajectory? What ethics govern changing our past? What secrets do governments keep? We must demand evidence, without losing curiosity. The universe is strange. Once impossible ideas become fact. If you could send one sentence to future humans, what would it say?